So hello everyone, for today's video we will do a quick experiment on how capillary action works. So this experiment is entitled Investigating Capillary Action, of course, syempre sa celery. So our objective is to understand how capillary action helps plants absorb water and nutrients from the soil and move them to the plant using, of course, celery as our model. So for this experiment, we need the celery, 4 containers, tubig, coloring, timer, nandyan na sa video, pen and paper, which is hawak ko ngayon, and of course, the scissors.
So we will not use a knife for safety purposes, but rather a scissors kasi meron naman silang same na use.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ano sabi niya? Ano daw?
Our hypothesis is that capillary action will cause the colored water to travel up the celery stalk and be visible in the leaves of the celery, demonstrating the water absorption in plants. So, let's do the procedure. So, first, let us cut the celery stalks.
A few moments later.
So, we have this, yan, 4. Apat na celery. And now we will prepare the water. So, tubig. Ayan. And we have 4. Yan. But we only have 3 food colorings. So, one of this container, I think, this, eto, na lang gawin natin ano. This will be our control. Since wala tayo, kulang tayo ng food color. This is color brown, as per prescribed by our advisor in Kenya.
Lagyan na natin sa lahat. Hindi naman color brown, kasi color red.
Color blue and color red. Ayan.
Huwag na tayong mag-inerte, lalagay ko na lahat. Wala nang drop-drop. Yan, para mas effective.
Color red. Inubos ko na siya. Take for real.
Wala kaming pakialam!
And syempre, lalagay na natin yung yung celery.
Okay.
Yan. So, this first ito. Haluin na. Ginawan pang halo.
Then, syempre dito sa isa. Then dito. Then, syempre dito yung
Paliit ang paliit. Wait lang. I think mas kontian pa natin to. Yun. So, yun lang. Siyempre, ita-time natin siya for about 2 to 4 hours as per prescribed doon sa docs. And we will observe further through that yung mangyayari and record. So, balitaan ko na lang kayo by
6.5 hours later.
So, hello guys. Ngayon ay day 2 na ng ating experiment. Ayan.
Okay.
Hello. So, ngayon titingnan na natin sa labas kung ano nga ba kinalabasan ng ating celery experiment. How capillary action works with the celery. So, let's go.
1 eternity later.
And this is the outcome of our experiment. If you will observe clearly, makita nga talaga natin na nagkaiba-iba yung color ng celery. And that's prove our hypothesis. And makikita nga talaga siya sa leaves nito. And to understand it better, let's look closer sa mga samples natin. Okay, sample number 1, yung control natin. Walang nag-iba sa color ng celery. color pale green pa rin siya. And if you will look sa roots niya, ayan, walang nag-iba. Color white pa rin. And moving on sa color brown, yan. Mukha lang siyang nalanta. Yan, color brown, nag-darken lang. And if we will look doon sa ends niya, makikita natin na nag-iba yung color. Sign ng absorption. Okay, moving on. Sa color blue, nag-darken green lang siya. And that is a sign na absorb nga niya yung color blue. And if we will look, ganun din. Nag-iba lang din yung color ng ends niya. Moving on sa last sample natin, the color red. Yan, naging color pinkish yung leaves niya. Okay, again, sign ng absorption. Okay, if we look in the end, ayan, makikita na nag-iba rin yung color. So, that's all. Ayun lang para sa ating experiment. And to summarize it all, let us answer the guided questions. For the experiment, you can pause to answer the guided questions. That's all, everyone. Thank you very much for your patience and watching. Goodbye.